I got made fun of in school. I got told no. I got rejected over and over again. But you have made me brave, little monsters. I'm gonna be brave for you. Tonight, I want you to free yourself. I want you to forget all of your insecurities. Any one person that ever made you feel like you couldn't be anything or you couldn't be great. They told you no, you couldn't fit in school. They told you weren't thin enough, pretty enough, you couldn't write a good song enough, dance enough. They told you that your Lollapalooza BMI stage show was a fucking train wreck. You remember that you were born a superstar. You were born People, festivals were started as a political movement so that young people could all meet and get drunk and stand up for what they believed in. And as far as I can see, we're fucking doing a fucking good job this year. There you are. Can you see me? I don't know what I'm gonna do. You see, I told my friends about the Monster Ball. I told them that the Monster Ball would set them free. So we got into my car, but my car broke down. So then I took them on the subway, which always gets me where I need to go. But the subways left us off in this very strange place. And I just have no fucking clue where we are. You think I should ask my friends for some help? You know, my deepest and most loyal fans. You know, all my Chicago gays.